Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, how are you friends? I hope you'll be all fine and good. So, friends, I'm back with a very beautiful, very stylish collection of leather pencil skirts designs. So, this is the best collection of leather skirts, and for those who love to wear leather skirts and pencil skirts, and you can also wear these skirts in office if you are a working lady, if you are a businesswoman. So this is the best collection for you, so please do watch the video till the end and you will get many ideas, many designs from this video. And I hope that this video is gonna be useful for you, helpful for you. So you can see pencil skirts in leather, and they are looking so stylish, so classy. And when you go to parties, you just wear these skirts and you will look a very beautiful lady, very decent lady with these skirts, pencil skirts. So if you are going to office, you can also wear these type of skirts. If you are going outside, you can also wear. So these type of skirts are suitable for formal wear, for casual wear. So I hope that you will love this collection. I have collected many beautiful designs, many beautiful ideas in this video. So friends, if you love these designs, please do also like my video and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. And if you have subscribed my channel, please do also click the bell icon. So after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. So friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so you can tell me in the comment section how was the video, how were the designs of these leather pencil skirts. And I hope that you are loving these designs, and please visit my channel for more such videos, for more such collections. You will find huge collections on leather skirts and on pencil skirts for office wear. So please visit my channel. I hope that you will love the other collections on my channel too. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. If you want to give me suggestions, you can also give me suggestions in the comment section. And if you want to give me idea about what type of videos should I upload on my channel, you can also give me ideas. And friends, please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And I must say thank you so much for your appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourages me, motivates me to bring more such videos and more useful ideas and helpful ideas for you. So I hope that you love this video, and thank you so much guys for watching my video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections. Don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon inshallah with a new collection of ideas and designs for you.